In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to fix reconciliation mistakes in Xero bank accounts. This is useful when you've accidentally reconciled a transaction incorrectly and need to correct it while keeping your financial records accurate. First, open your web browser and navigate to xero.com. Once you're there, log in to your Xero account. After logging in, look at the top navigation menu and click on Accounting. From the drop-down menu, select Bank Accounts. You'll now see a list of your connected bank accounts. Select the bank account containing the transaction you need to correct. Once you've opened the account, click on the Reconcile tab. Now, locate the transaction that was reconciled incorrectly and click on it to open the transaction details. Review the transaction to make sure you've selected the correct one. Next, look at the top right corner and click on Options. From the drop-down menu, select Unreconcile. A warning message will appear explaining that the reconciliation and related links will be removed. Review the message and click OK to confirm. The transaction will now be unreconciled. Go back to the Reconcile page and find the transaction again. Click on Add Details to open the transaction details. You can now correct information such as the amount, account, or description. Once you've made the necessary changes, click Save. Finally, review the updated transaction and reconcile it again with the correct information. And that's it. You've successfully unreconciled, corrected, and re-reconciled a transaction in Xero. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next